So let us create the base part of the model for SolidWorks. So I'll just create a new file using the welcome to SolidWorks, or by creating a new part file using the new tool in the standard toolbar of SolidWorks. Then I'll just create a part file, then OK. Then wait for the SolidWorks user interface to load up. Then make sure to set the units to IPS. Okay, so IPS is selected. Now I will be sketching the profile. I will go to the sketch command manager, then select the sketch tool. So the three main planes are visible now. So you have the front, top, and then the right plane. So for the base, I will be selecting the top plane. Make sure that the plane is highlighted, and then click. Now the right top plane will change its orientation view that is perpendicular to your view, and you will be sketching the profile. Make sure to start at the origin. So I'll just select center rectangle tool. Make sure to select first the origin, or make sure to always start at the origin. So the profile is simply a rectangle. Later on I will be providing the dimensions. So I'll just sketch a rectangle. I'll just click anywhere. Okay, click. Then you provide the dimensions using Smart Dimensions. Okay, you can select the two endpoints, like for example the corner here and this one. And then you click uh, on this projected dimensions. Let's say on this portion, I'll just click here. Then I will input the correct measurements. Let's say 3.50 inches or 3.50. Okay, then I'll just click the OK button. Okay, then I'll need to dimension again this one, or either the top or the bottom. So I'll just select the bottom. Okay, I could select this line. Okay, and then provide its dimension. Click here. Then again 3.50. Enter. Okay, so the rectangle has measurements of 3.5 by 3.5 inches. Then I'll be giving the thickness using the features. So I'll just select features command manager, then extruded boss base. Okay, then provide the thickness of 0.75 inches. Then OK. Then click once more the OK button. Okay, to accept the thickness provided. Okay, I'll be using the mouse wheel to rotate the model. Okay, or you can simply change the orientation view using the heads up view toolbar. This is the cube, so I just remove the cube. This one, the view selector. So I'll just make it in isometric view. Okay, now I will be removing some portions here. So probably I'll select the front view. Okay, and then I'll just sketch. Then for the second sketch, you have your 3D model here. So you need to select a planar face. Okay, so select this face here. So I'll just click here. Okay, and then I'll draw a center line. Then probably I'll zoom in using the mouse wheel. Then I'll provide center line, a vertical line. Okay, that's connected to the midpoint of those of that face. So I'll just press the escape key. Then I'll use the line tool. Okay, so upon creating this line, I will be selecting the endpoint of that vertical center line. Then I'll draw a horizontal, and then a slant line, and then a horizontal line that is connected to the center line. Okay, then I'll press the escape key. Now I will use mirror entities. Okay, so I'll just select this one, this tool, mirror entities tool. Okay, in using mirror entities tool, you need to select the entities to be mirrored. So that is the horizontal solid line, the slant line, and the horizontal line at the top. So make sure that the three solid lines are selected. Okay, after selecting the entities to be mirrored, okay, make sure that the copy has a tick mark, and then the mirror about. So I'll just select the mirror about, make sure that it is highlighted, and then select the center line. Okay, then this is the possible output that you'll be having. So the entities that are being mirrored are these lines, the solid lines, horizontal, the slant line, and the horizontal line at the bottom. Then the mirror about is your reference axis, where the entities to be mirrored, this is probably the mirror line. Okay, and then if you're good with that, okay, make sure that the three entities are selected, and then mirror line about is the center line. Then the possible output are the yellow lines here. Okay, once you're done, you can select OK. Now I will be providing the dimensions. Okay, so smart dimension, select the two horizontal lines. Okay, then I'll just provide the dimensions of 0.375. Then OK. So you'll notice here that 0.375 is rounded off to 2 decimal place. I could select this one, the extension line. Okay, and then under the decimal place here in the tolerance or precision, you can select the 3 decimal place. Okay, and then I'll provide the angle. So I am still using the smart dimension. If you have cancelled it, you can select smart dimension, make sure that it is grayed out, and then select this slant line and the horizontal line at the bottom. Then project the angle. So I'll input an angle of 76 degrees or 70. Okay, and then click the OK button. Okay, I'll add another dimension, the horizontal line at the bottom. Okay, this measurements is 0.50 inches. Okay, now I'll just use the mouse wheel, press hold the mouse wheel so that you could simply rotate, and then I'll use extruded cut for that profile, and then I'll use the through all under the direction 1 under condition through all. Okay, and then click the OK button. Okay, so you have your remove portion of the base. Okay, so I'll just repeat the process. So I'll repeat the process at the left view. Okay, or you can select the orientation left. Okay, similar procedure. I'll use the sketch tool, select this face, then I'll draw a center line, the midpoint of that face, then I'll just select, okay, and then or press the escape key if you want to. I'll just use the line for solid lines, horizontal, slant line, and then horizontal line that is connected to the center line. Okay, and then press the escape key. Then mirror entities. Entities to be mirrored, those are the solid 3 lines. And then mirror about. Make sure that the copy it has a tick mark. Then mirror about, select the center line. Then the possible output is provided here. then I'll just click the OK button. Then Smart Dimension, horizontal lines, the distances between them is 0.375. Oops, 375. Then OK. Then change it decimal place to 3. Then OK. Then Smart Dimension again, using this one and this one, so that you could provide an angle of 76 degrees. Then OK. Then I'll provide the measurement of this one at 0.50. Then you can rotate a little bit, and then pictures, extruded cut, then blind condition, change that to through all. Then OK. Okay, now I'll just make it the orientation view of isometric. Okay, and I'll going to save that file. Okay, so the location where you wanted it to be saved. Okay, so I'll just create a new file or folder, and then let's say this is for the grinder. Okay, then I'll open this folder, then I'll just change this to your format is your surname, and then your provided given name, and then let's say that is the base. Then save. So you have created the first part of the SolidWorks model, that is the base.